Yeah, good people. The church I'm winning, I hope so. Maybe I come. The church I'm say, and a year swearing in. A year president, elected. President Mahama, didn't see so. Na unim say fan energy, former minister in Mahama administration, no. Na John Jinapo, now MP, Peko Sobo. Okoko PRC. Na say media ni di nkomo no. O kan say mbi say aban no anya nhihye yi nti say crude oil dey power yen no your plants na ade no nti or just 5 hours ye be kodum so e ka na crude aban anto crude na transition team no kan na nsem bi apie we dey enti any video na ansa na me wi na expose na ex na former energy minister the no standing in a friend Herbert Grapper baba be ina no enti
I have bad news for you. Just today, the confirmation we are getting is that we have only 5 hours of fuel stock. If you look at heavy fuel oil and distillate fuel, we don't have up to 2 days. And so in 2 days' time, we are likely to run out of fuel. This administration has not ordered any fuel as we speak. And it takes on average 4 weeks for the fuel to arrive and 4 weeks for the fuel to be treated. And so we are in a very serious situation. At the transition, we brought this up. The outgoing administration assured us that they had procured some parcels of fuel. Today, right after President Mahama assumed office, and I served on the transition, my checks indicate that we do not have fuel that can cater for even 2 days. So clearly we have a major problem. And this is an incoming administration. Even if you order the fuel, like I'm telling you, it will take about 8 weeks.
And some okay, what you say premeditated. Because from President Mahama, okay, Mra, no more campaigning, the Biano, and a buying massage. Na there's doing so, but we be also that kind of career. Aban we eba power no. Oba bi hia se the energy sector na nya se ejina na mo so. So ati ase. Na ejina na mo na nya se ejina na so aban we pe kwa na enokra no mo ntie menkan we kakra free Herbert Grapper ono na no ye tama unse na puna na energy minister. Tinapo eye no ne mani take charge ntie. Or say keep the lights on. As we did, you are in government. I have read a statement from Honorable John Jinapo, MP, co-chairman of the transitional team and subcommittee on energy and natural resources, in which he claims that massive load shedding looms as Ghana fuel stock depletes and seeks to blame His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa's government. Mr. Jinapo is wrong. Load shedding does not loom. It is caused either by technical or emergency power generation. Issues of lack of competence in managing the power sector, Mr. Jinapo seems to be haunted clearly by the latter. By the time of leaving office, President Akufo-Addo's government left in stock light crude oil, which Sen Power currently generates power with, whilst ASCA continues to take delivery of heavy fuel oil, which it generates power with. The fact is easily verifiable with a phone call to both power plants. Responsibility of the new administration is to only procure more liquid fuel to keep the lights on whether liquid fuel becomes required to complement gas supply, but also plan competently to avert power supply disruption. We did it, and they can do it too, if they can. The NDC government should get to work as we did. The reason we kept the lights on for 8 years, regardless of the difficult times, and stop the needless finger pointing but former minister for energy. Enti no ni tentini ni tietie mu no. Ghana media ankasa nso no ya na momboa. Asema okan yi wachire mu pifi se omu free power no. Eye omu free power transitional team no omu kire e no kire send power. Omu enyina nti no enya no kware da. Se na na do mu nkrafu anase bi ni ho. E no kire mu se omu aba power no. De so omu ye ne se omu be ye adwuma no na de omu abeto no. Omu atumi aye improve ni ye na MPP ba power no. Na niema difficulties so omu janka na ano esi so for years, regardless of the difficulties. It is some John Paul Kano was saying no quarry. Say fu a beer ni ho na 2 days, Sansama or Kanyana intro. If it's also say offer just a telephone. Na media house no cry, minim the Ghana media no mochile. Senka we or Kayan, and Kamu you be a no more free bet crapper. Na mo or no nane a year a minister no ye in charge away free so. It can be bisano. Mo be fa telephone no ma frɛ no gina poka sa wie na no ma frɛ mo de no aye news na mo de nam because mo pese mo gina so e de be excuses there bibia mo be ye ne ba beka if you ne sebe man can say bibiri difficulties ni problems there ho and then me no pa me cite examples so kwa America they have problems, they have difficulties, and yes omo no kra bibia that thing so e change aban they take charge. Enti no munya didi na mo ye no na munya dwuma se de krapa ka no munya didi no na dum so de ye nim se mo na mo ye hene now so this time around at least President Mahama or experience ye can governance make financial experience because vice president caretaker president president ankasa enti no he only any excuse to fail, and I don't wish him to fail because of failure ebekwatia mining na enti no jinapon sema o kan krapa so oboa enti journalist ye to temunsa mopa mon frɛ krapa what I say ana mo ankasa nkoye mo checks ansa na maba na mo ye mo checks nso a yenso be ye checks what I said this time around propaganda bia anya dwuma face saving bia anya dwuma ti mo journalist na amaya madwen say na akufu ado aban de wonjiti scam amunni na ye de oman sika betiti amamadi ni maka no se mo anya de ebebo oman no like international media na ye ne ma ebebo oman de ye ntwema mo if you say boni amadi ni ntro amadi no what I say ye the facts no na be ye dwuma eti magana ni bia yam hihye no management no so mo hwe no mo de ne ma to kwan so nyame kira mo nyina ti sa lumindum so ne de ye omo imagination bibia na omo pe bibili e gina so e de siphon music bibili akose baby ti no mpese omo ye niam bisa enti no sanity